Welcome to our journey through the lives of history's greatest personalities. In this series, we will explore the remarkable individuals whose character, leadership, and achievements changed the world. We begin with the very first personality in this book, Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. His life is a timeless example of honesty, compassion, patience, and justice. Let's discover his inspiring story and the lessons that continue to guide millions of people around the world. In Michael H. Hart's famous book, The 100, a ranking of the most influential persons in history, Prophet Muhammad is ranked as the most influential person in history. Born in Makkah, his life became a journey that transformed society and inspired millions around the world. Before prophethood, he was known for his honesty, trustworthiness, and excellent character. The people of Makkah called him Al-Amin, meaning the trustworthy. At the age of 40, in the cave of Hijrah, he received the first revelation, beginning a message based on faith, justice, compassion, and knowledge. Facing challenges and persecution, he migrated from Makkah to Madinah in an event known as the Hijrah, where he established a united community. Through his leadership, wisdom, and teachings, Prophet Muhammad left a lasting influence on world history. Thank you so much for watching video. If you like such videos, please subscribe this channel to get more videos.